What's up, LL Squad? So I'm on set getting ready to film. I am in my very own trailer. I am the photo double of the main character. So I look like the main character, and I can't say who it is or what the movie is yet, but y'all, it's gonna be lit. In my trailer doing my makeup. Check it out. So I'm here sitting on the couch. You know, it's small, but it's cozy for right now. I'm on the couch here. And I'm excited. I'm putting on my makeup, sitting here chilling. Y'all already know, got my favorite Dunkin' Donuts drink with me, my frozen chocolate. Sitting here chilling and about to put on my makeup and waiting for them to bring me breakfast in my trailer. Yeah. Happy. So, as I get ready, and shout out to Rihanna. Yo, I love her new foundation, Fenty Beauty. It is the bomb. Her skincare products are really working. Her makeup is the bomb. I love it. So shout out to Rihanna. Black girls doing her thing. Love all your products, girl. Much love. But yes, I'm so excited. I'm in my trailer waiting for them to bring me breakfast. So as soon as they do, I will let y'all know and show y'all what we got and follow you guys. Let you guys follow me throughout my day. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so they're about to come get me breakfast. Yeah, come in.
What's
Hi.
up? Watch you something.
Thank you.
You want this orange juice?
Sure. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. That's how you close the door. Yeah. So I just got breakfast delivered to my trailer. Let's see what we got here. Got this orange juice. He asked me if I wanted it because I know I already got my Dunkin' Donuts favorite coffee and some little munchkin snack on. Oh, got my burrito and the banana. Cool. You know, I want to eat light this morning. I don't want too much. So, I got paper towels already in there. So yeah, I'm good, y'all. So excited, about to eat. Finally got my little foundation on, you know, and getting ready to meet the leading actor who I'm filling in for and gonna be the photo double for, and I'm so excited, y'all. Like, this is a step up from the background work I've been doing apparently, and I'm excited. This is my second time having the opportunity to be a photo double, and I'm lit, y'all. So I just want to encourage people, you know, if you're whatever you decide to do, just follow your dreams. If you're nervous, you know, that's okay. Just have a plan, map out your plan, and follow your dreams. Don't let anybody, anyone, anything stop you. If it's something in your heart that you feel like you want to do, go ahead and do it. Like, don't let anything stop you, because when you start accomplishing your goals, it feels amazing. So just, you know, keep doing your thing, keep shining. Don't let anybody dim your light. Do your thing. So yeah, I'm about to eat this burrito before it gets cold, and get ready to go on set. So I'm gonna keep y'all filled in as to what's going on. Hubby dropped me off. I love that man, y'all. I swear, that's my boo for life. Like, oh my gosh, I think I might be hearing wedding bells soon. Like, he's a sweetheart. I love him. Yeah, he dropped me off because he didn't even want me to drive all the way out here by myself, because it's kind of far. It's almost an hour away. So yeah, it's we in the boonies. It's far. Oh, check out this view before we go. Look at this, y'all. That's the mansion where we filming at right there. Isn't that amazing? Let me see if I can zoom in. Look at that house, y'all. That is where I'm going to be filming today. Unbelievable. we just wrapped my scene. Had an amazing day shooting in the mansion. So blessed, y'all. So blessed to have my own trailer again. So happy, y'all. They got me looking like the main character. I can't say her name, but it was so nice working with everyone today. Had a wonderful time on set. Yeah. Alright, so y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I see y'all in the next video. Peace. What's up, LL Squad? So, your girl Ebony in the building. So excited. So, I am on my way to the second day of filming. Yay, yay. So today, it's a movie called Honk For Jesus. And I am the photo double for an actress named Andrea Lang, Andrea Lang. And yay, I'm so excited. And Regina Hall is in this movie. And it looks to be pretty dope, so I'm excited. I get to have my own trailer again, yay. And yeah, it should be pretty fun. So like, I have no idea like what the scene is or like what they're gonna ask me to do or anything, but I'm open-minded and look forward to it. So we'll see what's up. Got Bay here with me. Hey, baby.
What's happening, people?
Trent in the building. Yeah, and so yeah, we just chilling. Got kids at home. They just getting up. They were still in the bed when we left. And it's all good. So yeah, we are excited. And tomorrow I have my first photo shoot with some kids that I'm working with from my Facebook group, Best Momager Academy, guys. So if you have a child that's interested in acting or modeling, make sure y'all hit up our Facebook group, Best Momager Academy, and you just answer a few questions, and I'll let you in the group, and you can see paid jobs for kids. We're doing monologue coaching and a lot of different things that they're gonna need to be successful. So I'm excited. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and if y'all interested, I'll put the link of our group in the description, and make sure y'all join. So it's a nice day in ATL, beautiful day. I'm just and some nice condos over here. We on North Druid Hills Road is where we are now. Yeah, I'm on my way to set. So I see y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? On set. Chilling. Stuff out here. Alright, y'all, so I'm just now wrapping on set as the photo double today. Had an amazing time on the set of Honk For Jesus. Just met Regina Hall, excuse me. I keep getting them mixed up. Regina Hall. She was busy on the phone. She said hi to me, but tried to get a picture. So many people around her right now, and you know, your girl ain't a groupie, so you know, it's all good. But make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Peace, family.